welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna get straight to it and get this out the way. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all really subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I upload. And let's just get right into this video. So today I was just scrolling on Instagram, and I just decided that I happened to come across the Gucci and Balenciaga collab. Even though I had already seen it, I just felt like I needed to give my opinion. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Cayci Renee. It's the same way you spell it on YouTube. So go take a look at that, because all my followers get to see like behind the scenes of what I'm thinking, or my opinions, or I ask them questions about what video ideas I should do and stuff like that. But they got the whole behind the scenes works, whatever, my opinion already of how I felt about this collab. So first, we're going to talk about, obviously, the collaboration. And the collaboration is called the Hacker Project. So, off bat, that's it's a really creative idea. Like, I really feel like they had really good intentions with this collab. Like, the Hacker Project, it definitely gives what it's supposed to give. Like, the name gives what it's supposed to give. Like, come on now, you're like using your own style, their own original style of bag, but using the other brand's logo. Like, come on, very hackerish, okay? But let's hop into the details first, okay? I'm going to actually insert on the screen, like clips of me screen recording their website, just in case you guys haven't seen it, so that y'all can see like snippets of what each site has to offer. Okay, so number one, both websites, both Gucci and both Balenciaga, have two totally different items on each website. So I was scrolling through Balenciaga's website like, okay, let's see what they got. Y'all, they did, whoever was the creative director or whatever you want to call it. I'm no fashion major. I'm no fashion student. I don't know the correct terminology. But whoever decided to come up with the ideas for the Balenciaga's website needs to be fired immediately. Okay? Now, don't come for me in the comments, because I know how you girls love to tussle, y'all. But no, for real. They need to be motherfucking fired immediately. Okay, so let's start off. Balenciaga website. It's giving old. It's giving very old Gucci. Right? I literally didn't see any of, don't quote me, because I mean, I did a quick glance, but honestly, I really don't feel like I've seen any of Balenciaga's staple pieces on their website. In my head, I mean, I do know that they did come out, like, people have seen pretty much what the collaboration was going to look like in April when they first came out with the fashion show, whatever. I didn't watch that. I didn't even look into it, but it's giving not what it's supposed to have gave. Like, how can I articulate the words for this? They just got the short end of the stick. I was expecting to see like their classic bags, like their main bags, their staple bags, right? Balenciaga staple bags. I was expecting to see those, like the Hourglass Bag, the neoclassic, those ones. I was expecting to see those on their website with just like a Gucci logo or something, you know? But no, they fucking fooled me. They came out the woodworks with all the old style Gucci bags. Like, I don't even fucking like the old style Gucci bags. Like, they could have at least got the Gucci Marmont, the Dionysus. I think I'm saying that correctly. Yeah, I don't ever remember how to say those words. But like, I was expecting to see the more trendy Gucci bags on the Balenciaga website once I realized they're going to be having each other's like staple bags on the sites, but with the logos on it, if that makes sense. So I was like at least expecting to see like those staple bags on there. Instead, like they got the duffel, like the Gucci duffel bags and the tote bags. Like they legit have items on there that's just like not up to par to me. Not up to par whatsoever. Like the hobo bag, like they legit went back to the back, like went to, I guess those are considered to be Gucci classic bags, but I don't like them. I don't like them on the Gucci website, and I damn sure don't like them on the motherfucking Balenciaga website, okay? They could have kept it. And then I really want Gucci to get rid of this motherfucking, this is not a Gucci bag. Like this is, what the fuck? I hate that shit. Like that shit is so motherfucking ugly. And Balenciaga got stuck with that. And I feel so bad for them. I feel so bad for them because honestly, I feel like Gucci is just going to probably be sold out. And Balenciaga is still going to be fully in stock. Like, how did they get left with a damn bag that say this is not a Gucci bag? The damn Gucci tote. Okay, so let's get past that. So one thing I can say that I did like that they did was with the logo that they chose to do, it resembles it. Looking at it like from far away, you would automatically just think that it's a regular Gucci bag, right? But if you come close up on it, the Balenciaga logo is replaced. The double B, like the backward B's, they're replaced with the double G's, if that makes sense. So you know, like the Gucci, like this print right here, you see they're double B's and not the two G's. So I like that creative aspect of what they did. But everything else was pretty much trash on Balenciaga website, and I feel horribly sad for them. I really do. So let's go fast forward to Gucci website. Now Gucci website was 10 times better. When I tell you it was 10 times better, it was 10 times better. So I don't know like how they agreed to what website gets what, but I'm just like, damn, Gucci got the better end of the stick. And they got to keep all of their staples. Gucci got their staple bags and Balenciaga staple bags. How that work? I don't get it, but we're finna get into it. So, I love that they have like, how do I say this? They use like the Gucci Blossom. I think that's what it's called, right? The Gucci Blossom pattern, you know, the floral pattern. They have it on the bags. They have a bomb ass blazer, like an hourglass blazer. Like the shit was popping low key. Like I don't know why they came out with it in the fall. The little floral print that they have. I'm gonna show it to y'all. This floral print that they have. They also have, I don't know if you could tell, but there's like little Balenciaga words like all over the jacket, but it's like concealed. Like it's cute. I would actually wear this. But they used the Gucci floral prints and then mixed in with the Balenciaga. Now that was cute. That is a vibe right there. I don't know why they came out with it in the fall. It's giving me spring, but you know, hey, do what you do. And then they have all of the, like they have the hourglass bag. And they have the hourglass bag in the floral print as well. And it's giving cute. Like, that's cute. And they also have it in the Marmont bag. But I'm not going to show it to y'all. It looked the same. So they outdid themselves. I love the Hacker Project Medium Neo Classic bag. And this is what I'm saying. This is what should have been on not Gucci website, but Balenciaga's website. Like, this is what I was expecting to see. I was legit just expecting to see their classic bags, but with the Gucci print on it. Like, I really just don't understand. Like, Why did they have to do them like that? Like, that's crazy. So the hacker, I mean, not the hacker project, but the neoclassic bag is one of my favorites. I'm just going to show y'all a few of my favorites from the Gucci website because I have 0 favorites from the Balenciaga website, so we couldn't do that with them. So the neoclassic is one of my favorites. I absolutely love the Dionysus bag, and it has Balenciaga all over it. They have it in black and they have it in white. I absolutely love the whites. Like, that is so freaking cute. Yeah, like, that was cute and simple, like, fire. I like that. Let's look. What else they got? Oh, they got them ugly ass Gucci boots. Balenciaga boots. I hate them motherfuckers. But they got Gucci print all over. Ew. And then they also have the Marmots. Like, you know, like, they did it. It looks cute. Like, it's not looking forced. It's still looks like a Gucci bag, but you see it also says Balenciaga. Like, legit, all the stuff that's on Balenciaga legit looks like a Gucci. Looks like Gucci. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Don't nothing look like nothing that ever represented Balenciaga. And I felt like that's what the collaboration was supposed to be about. But maybe it's not. Maybe somebody could tell me in the comments if it's only supposed to be Gucci hacking. Maybe that's it. Maybe Gucci only supposed to be hacking the sites. Maybe it wasn't really a collab. Maybe it was just, you know, we reaped the benefits of this hacker situation. And maybe Balenciaga will do it again, like, back to them. And it'll be all Balenciaga shit. I don't fucking know. But from what I'm seeing, I'm not liking it, okay? It was one more thing on their website that I liked. It was a blazer. Let me get to it. This one right here is so cute. So it's black. It has Balenciaga all over it almost. And then, I don't know if you could tell, but it has like the double G's. Yeah, all over it. I kind of fuck with it, you know? Like, I like it in the black. And I also like it. I like it in the black better. But they do also have it in that, you know, the staple brown color for Gucci. Let me go to it. Oh, I forgot. I got one more thing to show y'all. But this is the staple brown color that it's giving. I mean, that's cute. I just probably wouldn't wear it. But, and then they have it in the Hourglass bag. See, this is what I'm saying when I thought this is what should have been on motherfucking Balenciaga page. Please somebody tell me that they messed up and a hacker really did do this shit. And the hacker switched the shit from each website. Please tell me that's what happened, because I really feel bad for Balenciaga. Gucci is gonna make so much money off of y'all's classic bags, when I feel like y'all should have been the ones to have them on y'all's site. Like, I just really don't understand what was the correlation, what was going on, what was the brain processing when that happened. But yeah, I just wanted to give my quick little opinion, you know. I'm no fashion guru or anything like that, or luxury bag guru or whatever. But I just wanted to give y'all my opinion because I really did have one and I felt really bad for Balenciaga. I really don't like the collab. Sorry. If I had to get it a 10-star, it would be well, Balenciaga website would be a 0. And then Gucci would probably be a 5. Probably be a 5. And you guys saw my favorite bags that they had. Pretty much majority. And y'all saw the one blazer that I really liked. So, but that's about it. Like, let me know in the comments what y'all was feeling. Like, would y'all buy this stuff? Like, is it giving counterfeit? I mean, I think that's what they was going for though. Low key. Is it giving the girls counterfeit? Like, is it giving, I got this from the flea market? Or is it giving... I went to DH Gate and they fucked my order up. Like, I don't know. Like, they put the wrong motherfucking design on the wrong bag. Like, is this what it's giving? Like, how do y'all feel about it? Would y'all, like, be okay? Because I feel like it's going to be a lot of people out here in the world that don't really know that they did a collaboration. And they just going to be thinking that these folks walking around with fake bags. Dead ass. Deadass, I feel like it's gonna be a lot of people out here that did not know that they had a whole collaboration and that they gonna be thinking of thousands of people is walking around with fake ass bags. But hey, you like it, I love it. Period. But whatever, you know, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. And make sure you comment, girl, and letting me know what y'all like to see, because I need feedback. Oh, quick disclaimer, I'm got over 2,000 subscribers now. I'm really excited about that, but I'm really not excited because I don't understand how I have over 2,000 subscribers and don't nobody fucking talk to me. Like, that shit's weird. But I digress. Maybe y'all gonna get better. Maybe the new followers, the new subscribers that I got, maybe they'll be vocal because you old ones are not. And I'm not feeling it, so y'all on my bad side right now. But it is what it is. I'll see y'all in my next video.